simpleshow explains Generative AI, Large Language Models, and ChatGPT. Generative AI is a subset of deep learning that creates new content, such as text, images, audio, and video, based on what it's learned from existing content. Large language models, or LLMs, are an advanced form of generative AI. They're trained on a vast amount of text data and learn to understand the patterns, context, and structure of natural human language. Large language models, such as GPT, use their language knowledge to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses based on the given input. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a general-purpose language model trained on vast amounts of web data. It can perform various tasks, such as content creation, writing code, summarizing text, and extracting data from documents. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI, a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence lab. It is built upon the GPT architecture and allows text-based conversations with users. Next to text content creation, other use cases of ChatGPT include virtual assistants and customer support. Here at simpleshow, we use AI-based technologies to empower users to create videos at the click of a button, while keeping security and data privacy our top priority. Visit our website to learn more about simpleshow Video Maker, the AI-powered video maker platform.